Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ninja BlendBOSS Personal Smoothie Blender and Tumbler. If you've been on the hunt for a compact, powerful blender that's easy to take on the go, this could be the one for you. With its 1200 peak watts of motor power, leak-proof design, and 3 AutoIQ presets, it promises to deliver convenience without compromising performance. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Ninja BlendBOSS is a sleek and compact personal blender designed for those who need a quick, hassle-free way to blend smoothies, shakes, or even crush ice while out and about. The key feature here is the 1200 peak watt motor, which promises to crush ice to snow and blend even the toughest ingredients. It's also paired with a multifunctional stainless steel blade assembly that can make everything from creamy smoothies to dips, soups, and purees. For those who don't want to bother with the manual process of figuring out blending settings, the 3 AutoIQ programs, Smoothie, Ice Crush, and Blend, take care of all the guesswork. It's a system that combines pulsing, blending, and pausing to give you perfectly blended results. The 26-aughts travel tumbler and leak-proof lid are designed for convenience, especially if you're someone who's always on the go. And let's not forget about the easy sip chug lid, which locks securely to prevent leaks while you're traveling. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. Setting up the Ninja BlendBOSS is incredibly simple. You just pop the tumbler on the base, lock it in place, and choose one of the preset programs. For my testing, I used the Smoothie program to whip up a basic fruit smoothie with frozen berries, banana, and spinach. I was impressed by how smoothly it blended everything in under a minute, leaving no chunks behind. The motor's 1200 watt power really shines when crushing ice. It pulverizes it into fine snow, which is great for frozen drinks or even a slushie on a hot day. I also tried using it to make a single-serve portion of soup. The blade assembly does a decent job of pureeing ingredients, but it's not quite as fine as a full-size blender would get. Still, for a personal-sized blender, it's very effective. As far as the design goes, the Ninja BlendBOSS is compact and stylish. It doesn't take up much space on the counter, and it even fits in most car cup holders, which is a great perk for those mornings when you're running late and need to take your smoothie with you. The handle is comfortable to hold, and the tumbler's lid locks in place to ensure there are no leaks when you're traveling. This is a blender that's designed with convenience in mind, but while it's great for personal portions, the 26-aughts capacity may not be enough for larger families or group servings. So what are the strengths and weaknesses of this product? On the plus side, the Ninja BlendBOSS is powerful, portable, and easy to use. The AutoIQ programs really simplify the blending process, and the leak-proof design makes it a reliable option for busy lifestyles. It's also really easy to clean, with all the parts being dishwasher safe. On the downside, the 26-aughts tumbler is a bit small if you're looking to make multiple servings or larger portions at once. The blending isn't as fine as larger, more expensive blenders, especially when it comes to pureeing soups or dips. And while the compact design is great for portability, it does mean that you're sacrificing capacity and power that larger blenders can provide. Now let's talk about value for money. The Ninja BlendBOSS is priced as a mid-range personal blender, and it delivers pretty solid performance for the price. It's not the most powerful blender on the market, but considering its portability and the fact that it comes with a leak-proof tumbler, it's a good option for people who want convenience without breaking the bank. When you compare it to other personal blenders at the same price point, such as the NutriBullet or Magic Bullet, the Ninja BlendBOSS stands out because of its higher motor power and its specialized AutoIQ technology, which adds an extra layer of convenience. However, if you're someone who makes large batches regularly, you might want to look at a full-size blender, which would offer more power and capacity for a slightly higher price. When comparing the Ninja BlendBOSS to similar alternatives, it stands out in terms of its ease of use and compactness. The AutoIQ system is a key differentiator, making it easier for users to get consistent results without having to fiddle with settings. However, when compared to a more powerful and larger option like the Vitamix or BlendTech, the BlendBOSS doesn't offer the same level of versatility or smoothness in blending, especially for tasks like pureeing soups or making nut butter. As for build quality, the Ninja BlendBOSS feels sturdy and durable. The stainless steel blades and motor base are designed to withstand daily use. The tumbler and lid are made of high-quality plastic that feels durable, and the motor base has a solid weight to it. This blender is built to last, and it's clear that Ninja designed it with everyday use in mind. If you're someone who uses a blender frequently, the Ninja BlendBOSS should hold up well over time. There haven't been widespread reports of reliability issues with Ninja blenders, so you can expect this product to perform for the long haul. In terms of customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions with Ninja, but the brand is known for its solid customer service. Ninja has a reputation for being responsive when it comes to warranties and troubleshooting, so you can feel confident that you'll be taken care of if any issues arise. When it comes to updates, there's no software to update here, so we won't be discussing that. This is a simple blender that doesn't require firmware or software updates to maintain its performance. To wrap things up, the Ninja BlendBOSS Personal Smoothie Blender and Tumbler is a great choice for people who need a portable, easy-to-use blender for personal portions. It excels in crushing ice, blending smoothies, and being leak-proof for on-the-go use. Its compact design and AutoIQ programs make it a solid pick for busy individuals who don't want to compromise on convenience. However, its smaller capacity may not be ideal for larger families or those who need to blend larger batches. If you're looking for a reliable, portable personal blender at a reasonable price, the Ninja BlendBOSS should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching! If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And remember, if you're interested in grabbing your own Ninja BlendBOSS, check the link in the comments. Until next time, this is Reviewsinside TV, blending the lines between convenience and quality.